It is really special to be in a place like Iowa City where writing is valued. You know, when I walk down the sidewalk, I'd see like literary quotes. Growing up in the Bay Area, tech was like the big thing and the only thing that really mattered. And so getting that validation from the city is really nice. And I think when kids get that validation that their creative expression is valuable, they could maybe feel the way I feel when I look down and see I'm walking on literary quotes. I've been passionate about immigration justice for a while, and those themes definitely make it into my stories. My senior year of college, I got to take a Spanish class that was also a human rights course, so we went to volunteer at an immigration detention center. We helped these women and children prepare for their asylum interviews. They were pretty much all being denied entry and denied asylum. So I like taking these really just kind of awful situations, but portraying an image of what the world could be if we were more welcoming. For example, I wrote a young adult novel set on a sort of utopian hot air balloon city, and the theme of the novel is some refugees sneak on board the city, and will they be allowed to stay? We need a dose of hope to help us get some action and make some change. And I think if we get the kids early to have a vision of what the world could be, then we can all work toward that. The workshop has been better than I expected. I didn't realize the level of feedback I was going to get back on my work has just been so much more helpful than anything I've gotten before. I feel like I have light bulb moments all the time in workshop where I can be like, oh, that'll be so helpful for my future writing. Right now I have a part-time job leading a book club for children. They're mostly 9 and 10 years old, and that is just a delight. A lot of being a child, you don't have much agency, you don't have much choice, you know. But having a creative outlet can really help children realize that they are their own people with voices that deserve to be heard. As I learned when I was doing the volunteering in the detention center, I need to find another way to contribute that's sustainable and genuine to me. And I think, you know, writing my children's novels that kind of have these progressive values, helping kids, especially from marginalized communities, unlock their own creative voices and be heard in the world. I think those are other ways I can still contribute in a way that feels sustainable and joyful. Let the